Welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. Today I am unboxing the December paper pumpkin kit. So the kits come with everything you need. The first kit you order, you get a small acrylic block with. The acrylic block doesn't come in the kits after the first one because you've subscribed, you've already got the kit or the block. So you open up the kit, comes in, we're talking about the new Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. It comes in a large size and it comes in a mini size as well. So, and then they're advertising the Artistry Blooms, Let Your Creativity Blossom set. So there's always really neat ideas of things to do in the kit. You take out the tissue paper, and this is the kit this month. So it's Beary Comforting is the name of it, and you can make all these cards here in the picture. It comes with the all the die cuts, the card bases, envelopes for them, and it comes with a rich Razzleberry Stampin' Spot so that you've got the ink you need. So we've got the Stampin' Spot, we've got the instructions, and they're detailed. They show you step by step how to make the cards. And on the back is what comes with the kit, which is the Beary Comforting Photopolymer stamp set. So that's it. It comes with leaves and Get Well Soon, You're on My Mind, and Hooray, as well as the bear, and a nice bouquet of flowers. As I said, the rich Razzleberry Stampin' Spot comes with your die cuts that you can use to make the cards. And you just pop those out. Comes with your dimensionals so that you can attach everything together. Your envelopes, aren't those cute? They're such a lovely color. And then they've got the stripy lining as well. Is this not a rich and lush card base? Isn't that gorgeous in the rich Razzleberry with the gold tones on it? And then there are some more matting elements. There's the circles and the rectangles, more card bases. And that is, I just love the colors with together. And the colors in this are, like I say, the rich Razzleberry, and it coordinates with Soft Seafoam. And the Soft Seafoam is actually this color here. So it's a nice, gorgeous, light color. So that's those card bases and some more matte blanks. And then this Calypso Coral. This is really lush. This kit is probably one of my favorite kits. And then there's spots where you can use your Stampin' Spot and your stamps, and you can put your greetings on. And then there's some embellishments. There are the cupcakes and the hearts and the flowers. And the flowers actually match the bouquet that is in the stamp set. So, and that's it. That's the kit. So everything you need to build your cards. It is the Paper Pumpkin by Stampin' Up. It is the December 2020 Beary Comforting is what it's called. So I will go ahead and put all that back together, and I will make some cards in the next videos. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.